Welcome, peckish friends, to Gina's Sunshine Kitchen. Here's your host, Gina. Howdy, friends. It's an exciting day in the Sunshine Kitchen. Today, our special guest, Alex, has a question for us. Hey, Alex. I wonder. Let's find out. Here I've prepared some waffle mix from a box, and here are some frozen chicken tenders. Let's cover up with foil. Okay. Wow! It's perfect. Look at that. Eee! Yay! I'd like to thank our special guest for visiting us today. Join us next time in the Sunshine Kitchen to find out what other small foods we can make into a small oven. See you next time!